Hi everyone, I'm Vicki Murphy. I am a Jira Align specialist at Expium, which is a Platinum Solutions partner with Atlassian, and as of December 2022, we are a proud Valiantus company. In this video, I'm going to be breaking down the updates to Jira Align with the release of version 10.119. This version was released to Jira Align instances on the continuous release track, typically your test or dev environment if you have one, on April 21st, 2023, and it will be released to production instances on April 28th, 2023. Let's go ahead and jump in. First, with this release, the pages and settings that make up the out-of-the-box time tracking module in Jira Align have been removed. This update was actually announced several months ago, and in that announcement, Atlassian called out that this functionality wasn't heavily used and recommend checking out the integration with Tempo timesheets for further time tracking functionality. One important thing to call out is if you use the work codes field, which is a financial field that can be associated with epics or features, this field will still be available to you. It will still be located under the time tracking settings page, but that page will likely be renamed in a future release. Let's go ahead and jump into Jira Align and take a look at the remaining updates. A few versions ago, Atlassian released the new Objectives Tree experience, which was an overhaul of the UI that now looks like what you see on my screen here. This visualization is now moving out of the early access program and will be given a new name, the OKR Hub, which you can see at the top of my screen here. Overall, this view is intended to bring OKRs and goals together and create an easy visualization of their relationship. I do want to call out that I'm still seeing it called the Objectives Tree in the navigation panel, but we may see that update in a future release as well. Also to this Objectives Tree / OKR Hub, we're still seeing some minor updates from the Atlassian team. And with this release, we now have the ability to change the width of the columns in this view. So you can actually hover over this column heading row, and you'll notice this little divider, and you can just drag that left or right to expand or collapse the columns here. The last update in the tool that we'll look at is to the ideation portal. So now whenever users add a new idea, they will be able to add up to 10,000 characters in the description field, just allowing them to provide that much more detail to our team. The field's character limit has also been updated in the API, and to accommodate this update, users will now see this expand or show more button on these idea cards to expand and easily then collapse this description when you have a bunch of information like I do here. As with most Jira Align releases, we did see several defect fixes as well, a couple of highlights. We are seeing some updates that filters were not always showing the correct results in all visualizations, some updates to the team room functionality, and a fix to story points showing as 0 when a user hadn't selected an estimation on features. As always, you can check out any details on these defects or any of the others included in this release in the release notes, which are linked in the description of this video. That is all for the release of version 10.119 to Jira Align. Thank you very much for watching, and good luck on your Jira Align journey.